Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got another comparison video for you today. I'm going to be comparing the Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder and I'm going to be comparing it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So we're going to compare in terms of the packaging, the price, you know, the application, and see how it goes. So jump right into this tutorial. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder is easy to use and it tends to create an airbrush finish. In the website, it said it's very good for baking and for setting as well. So this is what the package looks like. Huda website, this is long lasting. It blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines, and it says it's a melt proof makeup. Huda Beauty is 20 grams, retails for £28, and it's got 8 shades. I've got the shade Kunufa. This is what the Huda Beauty looks like. It's a nice yellow banana powder color. Got like a mesh in here for the product to come out through. It definitely has got a nice perfumey scent to it. This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I've used this a lot. I've had this for a while now. It's literally at the bottom of the pan. That's what it looks like. It's got like a black lid just like the Huda Beauty. It's got the Sasha logo and it says it's a clear make translucent flash friendly powder. In the website it says it absorbs oil, it reduces the shine, it highlights, it's for setting and for baking. This comes in 28 grams, so it's more than the Huda Beauty. I got mine for £20 from Superdrug when they still had it. Right now you can get it from Amazon for £24.99. Like 2 shades. It's got a Buttercup and a Buttercup Light. Show you how it looks like. So it's got like a yellowy tone as well. This is the Buttercup shade. It has a very nice banana yellow color to it. It's not got a scent. The Huda Beauty has got a scent, but this has not got a scent. It's got no perfume scent whatsoever. It's got no scent at all. There's like dots on it where the product can come in. The Huda Beauty has got like a mesh. I'm comparing the Huda, which is a very new brand as compared to the Sacha Buttercup, like an OG that I've been using for ages. And the Huda is fairly new to me. The Buttercup, I've used bows upon bows of it and I've run out of this now. It's literally at the bottom of the pan, so it's very good. I use Beauty. I'm just gonna see how they compare now because they look really, to me, I'm really interested in seeing who wins the battle today. So I'll jump right into the application. So I'm gonna be using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'll be using this to kind of conceal under my eyes and blend. I'm going to allow it to sit for a bit, then I'm going to blend with my Real Technique sponge. As the concealer blended in, I'm just going to zoom you in so I show how I apply the powder. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty on this side of my face and I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup on this side of my face. I'm going to be using my Morphe brush that came in a set. I'm going to use this to apply the Huda one. So I'm going to be using my 405 Real Techniques 405 to apply the Sacha Buttercup. So I'm going to be applying Huda with the brush on this side. Just quickly going to blend. So that's the Huda applied here. Feels really finely milled, feels soft on the skin. I'm just gonna leave this for a bit. I'm gonna apply the Sacha Buttercup on the other side. I'm gonna blend again. that's the Sacha Buttercup applied. It feels really soft as well, finely milled. They're both finely milled, and they are nice and soft on the skin. So I use the Huda Beauty hair and I use the Sacha Buttercup hair. Left this for like a minute or so. I'm just gonna wipe them off. So I'll start with the Huda Beauty side. It says you can use it all over your face, so I'm using it all over my face. I actually like this. It just came out flawlessly. Came out very nicely. So that's the Huda Beauty brushed out, and it's so nice and fine. I'm gonna brush out the Sacha Buttercup side. I must confess, I'm loving the Sacha Buttercup side so far. Feels really nice. It's so lightweight. So what do you guys think? This is Huda and this is Sasha. Don't know. I really don't know. I think they both look really, they look the same, guys. They look the same to me. There's not much of a difference. The Sasha is really nice. I actually like the Sasha. I've always used Sasha, so I like the way it looks and feels. The Huda as well is nice. It has the airbrush feel and airbrush look as well. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I think they're both the same, guys. I don't know who wins the game here. They're both fine. They're both smooth on the skin. Just melted in. It brushed very easily, and it applied lovely as well. So they both give an airbrush effect. They're really the same to me. They're really the same. I really can't see a difference, guys. You know, you comment down below what you think. They look the same to me. I like the feel. They don't feel like there's anything on your skin, so they're both airbrushed. You know, they don't feel cakey, they don't feel heavy. It's just light, it's smooth, it's soft, you know. So if you're thinking of getting these two, I don't know, in terms of price, Sasha is cheaper, and Sacha is 28 gram and it's 20 pounds. I got it 20 pounds, but right now on Amazon I think it's 24 pounds something, 24.99. And the Huda Beauty is 28 pounds and it's just got 20 grams. So I've got the shade Canofa, and the shade Canofa is exactly the same shade as the Sasha. It's yellow banana. So the Canofa is like Sasha, so they're the same. It's a good comparison because they're the same kind of shade. In terms of the winner, I think I'll go with Sasha because it's cheaper and it has more product in it than the Huda. In terms of the application, the wearability, they both last long, they both control oil nicely. I've used this on its own. It stood the test of time, and I've used this many times. This is my favorite. In saving me, you can see it's finished, so this has been my favorite for a long time. But in terms of choosing one, I will go for Sasha for the price, for the 28 grams in there. Yeah, that's it. They're both the same, guys. They're both the same in terms of the feel, in terms of the way they apply. They're both smooth, they both melt into the skin, they both give a matte finish, and there's no flashback on both of them. I've tried snapping pictures. There's no flashback. They last literally all day. They really last. They control oil excellently, and they are both flawless. So there's no winner for this, but because of the price, Sasha wins the battle today, and because of the amount of product in the Sasha and because of the price, it wins the battle. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this comparison helpful. If you did, like this video, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you see the videos as soon as they come. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.